What if I tell you that Forex trading will not make you rich? At least not in the next 2 years. Will you still continue trading? So I've been trading for about 3 years now, and in this video, I want to expose the harsh realities of becoming a Forex trader that no one will tell you. Remember that 90% of traders are not profitable. That means that whatever we are all doing as a majority, as a society, is not working. So we're gonna do the opposite. If you follow the advice of the majority, you're gonna get the results of the majority. So congratulations, you are already one step ahead of everyone else. So the first thing I want to talk about is losing money. When it comes to trading, no matter how good you are, no matter how smart you are, but you will still lose money. I can guarantee you that it is almost impossible for you not to lose money when it comes to trading. Because the truth is, losing is part of the game. Sometimes there is factors that is outside of our control that will cause us to lose a trade, no matter how disciplined you are. You can be super confident on a trade that you are willing to bet your entire house and your life savings on it, and you know that this trade will go in your way, like you're 100% confident that this trade will go in your way, and bam, you can still lose that trade, because nothing is ever guaranteed in this market. So if you want to become a Forex trader, you must accept the fact that losing is part of the game, and you cannot take losses to heart. You cannot think that after you lose a few trades in a row, you cannot think that you are the worst trader in the world. Okay, losing streaks are basically very common, alright? Even at this stage, when I'm 3 years into the market, I'm still experiencing losing streaks. There are still times where I lost a few trades in a row. There are times where I still feel like shit, alright? So you cannot have that expectation where you have to win every single trade in order to become profitable in this market. Because as long as you have proper risk management rules, no matter how much trades you lose, you will still become profitable in the long run if you practice proper risk management. When you take a trade, it is always 50-50 whether you lose a trade or win a trade. Knowing this and accepting this fact will help you so much. To me, I will only count the trade as a loss if it does not follow my trading plan and it does not follow my trading strategy. That is what I count as a loss. So even if I lose maybe $100, but I still follow my trading plan, still follow my trading strategy, guess what? It's a win for me. It's counted as a successful trade for me because I'm disciplined enough to stick to my plan. And every time you lose money, every time you make a mistake, remember to write it down, because a loss is only counted as a loss if you do not learn from it. As long as you learn something from the loss, okay, I learned not to over trade next time, I learned not to revenge trade next time. Guess what? That one loss will save you so much more money on the same mistake in the long run. So inside every loss, there is a hidden lesson to be learned. And once you can learn that lesson and you start getting rid of your mistakes one by one, then you are one step closer to becoming a successful trader. The second point I want to talk about is getting rich quick. A lot of traders, including myself, came into this market thinking that we're gonna become a millionaire next month. I'm gonna buy my Lamborghini this year, buy my big ass house, and just enjoy life because
that's trader's lifestyle, right?
I has to be a millionaire in 1 month. That is what trading gurus want you to think. Trading gurus, they often try to sell you a lifestyle. They show you their expensive watches, cash, their cars, to show you that
Forex trading is the best way to get rich quick fast.
But that's not the truth, isn't it? Whoever tell you that you're gonna get rich quick from trading does not know what the hell they are talking about. Trading is nothing like a get rich quick scheme. It's a get rich slow scheme. And some people don't even get rich from trading.
Oh my god, it's been 1 year, it's been 2 years. I've not made any money from trading.
I still do not have my Lamborghini. Trading is a scam and you just quit trading forever. Do not compare your chapter 1 to someone else chapter 20. Chances are, if you are watching that professional trader on your Instagram with that nice car, that nice Rolex, they have been trading for years. They've been trading for 5 years, 10 years even. They have been trading much longer than you are. Of course, they're gonna make more money compared to you, a newbie trader who do not know what is trend line, you fucking idiot. If you do not see yourself trading for the next 10 years, then trading is not for you. Alright, you can just treat trading as a hobby, and I think you will have better chance of getting rich by going to the casino. The third point is a very brutal and honest and harsh truth, is that you will lose all your money in your first live account. Let me tell you what I mean. The first live trading account, not demo, live trading account that you start putting your money into, you're gonna lose all your money inside the first live trading account. Let me tell you a story on my first live trading account. It was during a 6 months internship when I first opened my live trading account, and I still remember in my bank account I had like maybe $1,000 or something. So what I did was that I deposited $500 into a live trading account with this broker, which let's call it broker A, and then I deposited the other $500 into my another live trading account with another different broker, let's call it broker B. So what I did was that I told myself that, okay, I have two trading accounts, right? Broker A and broker B. So what I can do is that I can go risk as much as possible and try to get rich quick with this broker A account. Try to like flip that account fast and take a lot of risky trades. And then I can use the other account to like play it safe, you know, take like less risky trades. So the first day I start trading my live account, I use the broker A to start trading my $500 inside the first live trading account. So what I did was that I took a few trades, ended up getting lucky and managed to grow that small account to $1,000, maybe $500 to $1,000, and I was super duper happy because at this point of time, I tell myself that,
Wow, is this easy to make money when it comes to trading?
I just made like what, 100% gain and doubled my account in 1 or 2 days. That's insane, bro. If I have
$100,000 inside my first live account, I will flip it to 200K.
trading is so easy, and because I was able to win a few trades in a row, I think that I'm the best trader in the world. So I continued trade because I was greedy, so that eventually I can grow that account
to $10,000 or even $100,000
before I withdraw it. What I did was that I used a bigger lot size, 0.8 lot size, and then I entered into the next trade with a huge lot size. And bam, I lost that trade. And now I'm back to having only $500 in my account. And I tell myself that, okay, you know what? That was just unlucky. So let me just continue
using the same lot size.
and take the next trade. And bam, I lost that trade again. So I'm down only $100 left in my account. And I take another trade to like try to get back the money that I lose, right? I'm salty, I'm angry at the market. Market, please
Give me back my money, man.
I went to revenge trade, take the next trade, lost the next trade, end up blowing that $100 in my account. Absolutely zero, nada in my first live trading account. So what did I do next? Instead of taking a break and re-evaluating what went wrong and what went right, I did what any beginner traders will do, is to put more money inside and trade another account. So remember the broker B account where I told you that I also had $500 inside it? So I went on to trade that account, end up blown that account too. So now I lost all the $1,000 that I had in my bank account. And to me at that point of time, $1,000 was a lot because I was only earning about $600 per month from the internship. So to lose $1,000 in 1 week, I thought trading was easy. And now I do not have money to buy food, do not have money to pay for my transport, to go to the office, and the only thing I can do is to wait for the next paycheck to come in a few weeks' time. The moral of this story is that you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. If you have $2,000 left in your trading account, you have to pay bills, you have to pay living expenses. All of these things maybe cost about $1,000. The last thing you should do is to deposit all that $2,000 into your trading account, because once you put money inside your trading account, you must assume that that money that you just deposited is not yours anymore. It's considered as loss. That is why you should only invest money that you can afford to lose. The next thing I want to talk about is flipping small accounts. When you go onto YouTube and you search for Forex trading, you're gonna see a lot of videos where these YouTubers flip $50 to $1,000 or $100 to $10,000. And you're gonna think to yourself that, wow, Forex trading is so simple. You can actually flip a small amount of money to a large amount of money so fast. It's better than casino, right? So why not try Forex trading? And when you actually attempt to flip that small account, you start seeing some nice profits at the start, but then you end up losing all that profits and you're back to square one. So to be honest with you, I used to do this. I used to flip small accounts, right? Because I was broke, I have no money inside my trading account. I will put $100 into my trading account and try my luck. Try to see whether I can flip it to $200, $500. And I will do this for a few months, right? Every time I blow my account, I'll just keep on like depositing a small amount of money into my trading account. Sometimes I will deposit $50 into my account. And yes, sometimes I was able to flip it, right? I was able able to flip it to $500, $1,000, maybe based on luck or whatever, but I was not following any risk management rules or any trading psychology tips whatsoever. I was just randomly clicking buy and sell based on my instinct, but I realized that whenever I do this, whenever I try to flip small accounts, I always end up blowing that small account. So as time passes, I finally realized that flipping small accounts is not sustainable in the long term. You will not become a successful trader by flipping small accounts every single week, because of the fact that you are not practicing proper risk management. You are not growing that account slowly and steadily. It's just all like luck. Which brings me to the next point, which is what you need to do if you want to become a profitable, successful trader. There's this one secret that you must focus on, and that is to focus on making slow and consistent profits over the long term. You need to switch your mind right now like a little light switch. Right now, you are focusing on short term. You are focusing on trying to get rich as fast as possible within the next few months, within the next few years. But I want you to switch that mindset and start thinking in the long term. Instead of getting rich quick right now, focus on getting rich slowly and steadily. So your equity curve should look something like this. It should go up, maybe a little bit of retracement and then go up, retracement and then go up, like a little uptrend. It should never be looking like up, down, up, down, up, down. That is inconsistent, alright? That is inconsistent. That is not making money in the long term. You are trading wrongly. Always ask yourself that if an investor sees your equity curve, will he invest in you? Chances are, if it's up, down, and a lot of spikes and dips, the investor is not going to invest in you. If I was the investor, I would say hell no and pick a better trader with an equity curve of like a steady uptrend curve. So how we can focus on long-term consistent growth is by firstly getting rid of that get rich quick mentality, and then secondly start getting discipline, right? Start focusing on building your trading discipline and start practicing things like proper risk management, following your trading plan, use a lot size calculator before you get into a trade, and do not over leverage. All of these things add up together and help you to become a profitable trader. And I literally did like an in-depth guide on how to actually become a consistently profitable trader in less than 1 year, which you can check out that video right here. So click on this video right here to find out more. Smash that like button and that subscribe button if you have enjoyed this video, and remember, you're just one trade away. Mwah.